Welcome to our eye-opening video, 10 Shocking Comparisons, Life Before and After Climate Change. In the following minutes, we'll delve into the stark contrasts that define our world as climate change accelerates. From rising sea levels to shifting biodiversity, we'll examine how extremes in temperature and frequency of natural disasters are reshaping our environment and daily lives. Join us as we explore crucial aspects like food security, freshwater availability, and the impacts on human health and migration, illustrating the profound changes we face in an altered climate. Let's take a closer look at the world before and after climate change. 1. Temperature extremes. In the past, our seasons were like clockwork, with hot summers and cold winters that we could predict and prepare for. Families would plan vacations around the summer heat, and cozy up during the winter chill. But now, the predictability is gone. We face record-breaking heat waves that leave us sweltering in what should be mild seasons. Polar vortexes bring bone-chilling cold to unexpected places, and temperature spikes occur at times that leave us scratching our heads. The stability we once knew has been replaced by a climate rollercoaster, making it hard to know what to expect from one day to the next. 2. Sea levels. Coastal communities once thrived, with bustling markets and vibrant cultures flourishing by the sea. Islands like Kiribati were stable homes for generations. But rising sea levels have turned these places into battlegrounds against nature. Islands are disappearing beneath the waves, and millions in low-lying areas like Bangladesh are being displaced from their homes. The sea, which once provided sustenance and livelihood, now threatens livelihoods, eroding the very ground we stand on. 3. Arctic ice. The Arctic was once a frozen wonderland, a place of thick ice that supported polar bears and indigenous communities who lived in harmony with their environment. But now, ice-free summers are becoming more frequent, and the ramifications are severe. The loss of reflective ice accelerates warming, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. The ecosystems that thrived in the cold are now disrupted, and the Arctic's transformation serves as a stark reminder of how quickly our world is changing. 4. Natural disasters. Natural disasters were once rare occurrences, with hurricanes, floods, and wildfires causing localized damage. But the intensity and frequency of these events have escalated dramatically. Category 5 hurricanes are no longer anomalies, and megafires rage across landscapes, leaving devastation in their wake. Flash floods strike with little warning, turning streets into rivers. The new normal is a world where nature's fury is unleashed more often, challenging our ability to cope and recover. 5. Biodiversity. Our planet was once a tapestry of rich biodiversity, with coral reefs teeming with life and rainforests echoing with the calls of countless species. But now, coral bleaching is widespread, and species extinction rates are alarming. Ecosystems are disrupted as habitats shrink and climate conditions change. The balance that once sustained life is tipping, and the loss of biodiversity is a silent crisis that affects us all, even if we don't immediately see it. 6. Food security. Agriculture and fisheries were once reliable sources of food, with predictable yields and abundant catches. But climate change has thrown a wrench into this stability. Crop failures from droughts, floods, and heat waves leave farmers struggling to feed communities. Ocean warming and acidification have led to declining fish populations, affecting those who rely on the sea for sustenance. The food security we once took for granted is now under threat, causing concern for future generations. 7. Freshwater availability. Rivers and lakes were once plentiful sources of fresh water, supporting agriculture, industry, and daily life. But now, melting glaciers, prolonged droughts, and overuse have led to water crises in places like Cape Town and California. The once abundant resource is becoming scarce, and the quest for water is a growing concern. Communities are learning to adapt, but the challenges are immense, as fresh water becomes a precious commodity. 8. Health impact. Health was once less affected by climate, with vector-borne diseases contained and heat-related illnesses manageable. But now, Diseases like malaria and dengue are spreading to new regions, pushed by warmer temperatures. Heat waves claim lives, and air pollution exacerbates respiratory issues. Our health is intricately linked to the environment, and the changes we face are creating new challenges for healthcare systems worldwide. 9. Urban living. Cities were once bustling hubs of activity, thriving without frequent climate disruptions. But now, urban heat islands amplify temperatures, and infrastructure damage from flooding is a constant threat. The demand for energy, especially for cooling, strains city systems. The urban landscape is changing, and residents must adapt to a new normal where climate impacts are ever present. 10. Human migration. Fairmont faces the dual threats of winter storms and high winds, along with occasional flooding. The city's advanced weather monitoring systems and reinforced infrastructure showcase its commitment to preparedness. Public outreach programs play a crucial role in ensuring that residents are equipped to deal with severe weather events. Fairmont's approach underscores the importance of planning and community engagement in the face of nature's unpredictability. These cities in West Virginia have risen to the challenges posed by extreme weather with remarkable resilience and preparedness. Through strategic planning and unwavering commitment, they have shown that with the right measures in place, communities can thrive even amidst the most daunting of natural challenges.